I wanted to share with you all my frames, my new frames. And I wear contact lenses 24/7, so I'm not really, I'm not really a glasses frame type of girl, but all of them come in a case like this. With the cleaner. So I'm going to clean these a little bit. But I want you to see them on me as I see them on myself for the first time. Now, I tried these glasses on their website. And to me, they pretty much look the same. Only thing I didn't notice that they were actually textured. Like the frames are actually bumpy. They're not smooth. I thought they just appeared to be like crystal-like, but they are actually bumpy. So the first time I ordered from them, I did not put my prescription in them because I was so scared. I'm like, they're coming from China. Are they really gonna be legit? Should I trust putting my prescription in them? And these boys are on point. I mean, I cannot see why, if I spend like $500 or $600 buying one frame from Lens and Crafters and all those other places that I go to just for frames and lenses, why can't I get like 5 or 6 pair from them and be flashy and ball out with all my different outfits? But I love these. And as some of the girls say, they are eyelash friendly. Like your lashes are not flapping up against the frames. I like how they're like blinky. So that's one pair. Prescription is on point. I had a hard time with that PD thing. I had 2 PDs. And they say the way you do the PD is, my PD was 70. So if it's 70, you just divide it. You can put it in at 70 and put 1 PD, and that's the periphery distance, I believe. Or if you want to put 2 in there, you just say 70 divided by 2, and that'll give you the distance. That's what at least that's what my eye doctor said. The first ones, these were Eden. These are also Eden, but in a different color. And to me, I feel like I have a fairly wide face, and these fit me just fine. I just have to get used to the glasses because I don't typically wear glasses. But prescription is on point. I like them. I'm very pleased. I would never purchase glasses locally again. And from my knowledge, Zeelool and Vogue are supposed to be the same company. These are supposed, the name of the next pair is called Gifford. They also have these in clear. So I like these depending on if I'm going out. I want a different feel. If I'm wearing active wear, I will wear these. Basketball game, something like that. These, they feel really good. And like I said, right now, my face isn't usually this fat, but due to side effects of certain medications that I take for my asthma, my face and my upper body is bigger than it typically is. So, but I just have to live with that for right now. But I'm feeling these. These are, I like them. I think for all of these, when I was done with my total shipping and putting in my coupon, and that included in express shipping, I think my total was like $150. And that's for single vision lenses. Those were Gifford. These next ones are called Newall. I was wondering if these were going to fit my face, and they do just fine. These, they also have these in blue. I'm probably going to try these in the blue. I love these. They're funky. I like them. I like that you can see through them. I'm happy with all of these. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me down below. I don't get paid for my videos and my reviews. I pay for all of my stuff out of my pocket. I leave honest reviews. No one can bribe me with free glasses or free anything for me to give them a good review. These are called Felicia. I remember the name because that's my sister's name. And these, they have the flexible arms. And they come in a different color too. I like all of the glasses. I think that they all give me a different vibe. And so it just depends on what the occasion is, which glasses I would wear. So you tell me which ones you like. These are very lightweight too. Flexible arms. I might order these in black. I might order the other ones, Newall. I might order those in the blue, which is these. They come in like a navy blue and black, like a mixture of colors. I might order those in blue, Newall. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you go. I don't want this video to be too long. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.